Okay, everyone, this is Simon, and today we are going to learn how to use the ITC IP public address and also IP Intercom software. After you install the software, you should see this icon here, and this is the IP software. Click in and sign in. Log in. The user and password by default was admin, but you can change it later. Click OK. And the first thing is that after you install the software, you still need to register it from ITC. So go to the Help button and click License Information. The first row of this number is the series number which is generated by this software, and you should send this software to us, and we will give you a key under this in here, and this key is used to register this software so that it could actually function. And you see that by now this software is already registered. Okay, and then the first thing you should do is that you should add the terminal, and you should add it one by one in the option menu here in the terminal setting. Click add the terminal, add, and name it anything you want. Name it like kitchen, classroom, or anything. But we are going to name it by the model number. Anyway. And then you choose the IP address of it. And the forward server, here the forward server is actually the same as the main server. Okay, and choose the volume here. In the terminal version, you could choose the bidirectional 3.6. This is the version we are right now using. If you are connected to the speaker, which means that it's not an intercom panel, you could choose unidirectional. And in the terminal types, we just let it to the common terminal. The call number is a number that, just like the phone number used to call the terminal. For example, let's choose 6. And the call center is also a call number that the service is using. Default call priority. Let's leave it to administrator. And default login ID, also let's choose 001 and apply to all. You could click apply to all, everything. Alright, done. Okay, now you have this terminal. And the second thing is that you want to use this software to play music. In the real-time text, click Play Studio and click New, and also you should name your task to, let's say, Monday. After you name your task, you should add the file you want to play. I remember I have some music on the desktop. Yeah, here. Open the file and then choose the terminal here to play this song. You should choose multiple terminals at the same time. Okay. Click OK. click yes, and then you start playing it. Click start. Okay. Now in the progress bar, you could see that the music is not playing. Okay, stop it. Close the window. Yes. And the third thing that you want to do is use this software to schedule a task. For example, you want to play music in the Friday. You in the schedule menu, click ring, and then add a new profile. Say Friday. Okay, Friday 1, because I already had a Friday profile. And after you create the profile, add the tags. Let's name it. Let's see. Morning. Also, like the real-time tags, add the file you want to play. Open it, and then choose the terminal you want to play. In here, you should could choose multiple terminals at the same time. Click this Add selected terminal, or you could just choose Add all terminals at the same time, and then click OK. Under the real-time tasks, you should also schedule these tasks. You see, these are some options. You could choose to run every day, every week, every month, or run once. Let's run it every week. Okay, then the starting time, starting date, starting time, duration. Let's check every week. Click OK. The property of task time is wrong. Please check it. Oh, you should choose Friday. Click OK. Let's check. So everything is done. Click OK. So that's it. These tasks, you already created this task, but you also should set this profile as the current, so it could play your schedule. Because as you see, we have multiple profile here. So that's it. This is the IP public address and IP intercom software of ITC.